this might actually be the end of Canva tutorials. Maybe I may not be in this game anymore, or I don't know. Let's see how that goes. Do you know you can actually ask Canva anything and get the answers you want right inside of Canva? And you can also make a wish. Yes, what's the end of this video? Let me show you how it's done. To ask Canva on your desktop, just click on this question mark here. And to access this feature on your Canva mobile app, go through this hamburger menu and you just see the Ask Canva feature. And when you're on the Canva editor and you also want to perform the same action, just ask Canva using the question mark. And now let's go to our mobile app and let me show you how this is done when you're on the editor. So click on these three dots and it will take you to Ask Canva.
Let me type in my question. So this is my question. Can I import people bullshit to this come around my frequency? I'm going to submit that. You see what they say, you can import people bullshit in something about formulas on how they carry over value ensure that the value you imported and how this you can read it all. Say would you like to see this feature? I will let us know how magic there. I would like to see the council submit a wish. And you see that yeah, granting wish is better what we'd like to think. If you want to make a wish, come to let me know. Yes, say this. I'm going to submit a wish. Yep, that's me. Yeah, my wish is submitted.
Let me know in the comments if you're going to be using this feature and what questions and wishes did you make to Canva. Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.